So my guy, if you look here, so the motherboard, something I see spray like this one. So the main importance is better to check the uh, voltage chips. This is a voltage chip. So I want to assure you that how you want to measurement the voltage chips. This is a multimeter. This is a multimeter. This is a multimeter. Use your meter. Don't reach your meter to 100 voltage to 20 voltage. So if you want to know that how you want to measure the motherboard, using your charger, use your charger inside the motherboard. So my brother, you can chip your charger inside the light, and then I want to show you that how you want to check your motherboard 19 voltage or 18 voltage. Wow, my brother, if you look here, we have put the multimeter. Yeah, you have a 19.50 voltage. So if you want to measurement the motherboards and chips, wow, 0.0.